All right, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This video is so important that you need to watch this video to the end. Not like some of you that will just see a video and you pass by. Listen, I'm going to make this video so unique, special, and very, very brief. I will not take so much time, but share it to your friends. If you will not use it, somebody else will. Very good. Now, still on the matter of creating a TikTok UK account here in Nigeria, in the comfort of anywhere you are. But this video is for Nigerians, most especially in some African countries where TikTok is not monetized. This is for you. But if you know you are in an eligible country, just shift this video to someone else. Thank you very much. Now this is it. Creating a UK TikTok account in this country is as simple as ABC. Gone are those days they've been telling us about you need VPN, you need NIN, you need none of those things are working. Let me just go straight to the point so that you will know that what I'm saying is legit. Oh yeah, let's go. This is it now. You need an email address you've not used on TikTok before. Now, that email address will not carry the name on the other email address. Very good. If that is done, then you are one step closer to where you are going. We'll keep doing this until it gets to everyone, most especially in this my country, Nigeria. Okay, so when you have an email address you've not used before, the next thing you do, if you already have TikTok on your phone, you have to uninstall that TikTok and download it again. Now you go to sign up, not logging in this time around. Sign up. When you sign up, you go to create a new account. They will ask you of your email address and phone number. Use that particular email address you've not used before on TikTok. Then choose your date of birth and choose your location. That's the best part of it. When you get to where that location is, just choose United Kingdom. Boom! Then you are there. You understand me now? So this is not the issue of you need VPN or whatever. No. My own is as simple as ABC. We've been doing this research for a very long time. We know how long it takes us before we get this legit intent. That is exactly what I did. And I'm still coming back to tell you the account you need to connect with that TikTok account that you use to withdraw. But this video is right now for creating a UK TikTok account. Thank you very much. We'll come back for the next one. And I believe you enjoyed this one. Share it to everybody. Just keep sharing it. Thank you. Cheers. I love you all. Let's go.